Good day, pupils. How are you today? Let's start our English lesson. Please take your books and your copybooks and write down today's date. And today we are going to continue the theme Travel's Tales. Сәлеметсіздер ме, балалар? Ағылшын тілі сабағын бастаймыз. Бүгін біз Travel's Tales тақырыбын жалғастырамыз. Здравствуйте, ребята! Как дела у вас? Начинаем английский урок. Сегодня продолжаем тему Travel's Tales. Open your books on page number 35. Task 1. Exercise 6. Listening exercise. In this exercise, you have to listen to Alex talking to his friend about holiday problems. Match the people to the problems. There are 3 extra problems you do not need to use. Бірінші тапсырма, 6-шы жаттығу, тыңдалым жаттығуы. Бұл жаттығуда Алекстің өз достарына демалыс кезіндегі туындаған мәселелер туралы айтып жатқанын тыңдайсыздар. Берілген адамдардың қандай мәселе туындағанын табыңыздар. 3 мәселе артық. Первое задание. Упражнение 6. Слушание. В этом упражнении вы должны послушать про Алекса, который рассказывает своим друзьям о проблемах в путешествиях. Сопоставьте проблемы данных людей. Listen carefully.
Hi Alex, how was your holiday?
I had a really good time, but my friends had a few problems.
Really? What happened?
Well, first Jenny missed her flight and had to fly out the next day.
Oh dear. That sounds more like something Peter would do. He always has bad luck.
He did have some bad luck. His wallet was stolen as soon as we landed in Hawaii and we had to go to the police station.
How awful. What about Fred and Nina?
They were both unfortunate as well. Fred lost his luggage and had to buy new clothes, and Nina got sunburnt on our first day at the beach.
Well, at least you and Dennis didn't have any problems.
Actually, Dennis lost his passport 2 days before we were due to return and had to go to the embassy.
Oh dear. I see you were the only lucky one.
Yes, thank goodness.
Task 2. Listening exercise. In this exercise, you have to listen and complete the article with the words below. Екінші тапсырма, тыңдалым жаттығуы. Берілген сөздерді тыңдап отырып қойып шығыңыздар. Второе задание. Послушайте и поставьте слова в нужные места. Listen, please, carefully.
I love Paris. Have you ever travelled to Paris? Last May, my family and I spent 2 weeks there. We stayed in a hotel in the city centre, and we had a wonderful time. We visited all the sites and museums, including the Eiffel Tower, the Arc de Triomphe, the Musée d'Orsay, and Notre Dame. I enjoyed visiting the Louvre the most. I felt very happy and excited. Paris is a great place to go on holiday.
And this task is for your home task. Exercise 8. You have to write a short article for a school magazine. You have to write 60 or 80 words. The theme for your article is My Holiday Experience. You have to write about when it was, where you were, who was with you, what you did, and how you felt. Үйге тапсырма, 8-ші жаттығу. Мектепшілік журналға шағын мақала жазыңыздар. Менің саяхаттағы оқиғаларым жайлы. Мақалаңыздың ішінде бұл оқиға қашан болды, қайда болды, кіммен болдыңыз, не істедіңіз ол саяхатта, және қандай сезімде болғаныңыз жайлы жазуыңыз керек. Домашнее задание. Упражнение 8. Вы должны написать краткое эссе о вашем путешествии. В вашем эссе должны содержаться такие вопросы и ответы к ним. Когда ты путешествовал? Где ты путешествовал? С кем ты был? Что делал? И твои впечатления. Good luck to everyone!